Okay, I'm at the last stitch, which will be number 44. And I'm going to get ready to turn. But before I turn, I like tucking in my tail first. So I wrap it, and then I tuck it, and then I crochet over it. That kind of hides it and keeps you from having to do extra work at the end when you're trying to hide all your tails. That sounds funny. Anyway, you're going to turn it over. You're going to tuck that tail down, and you're going to start again, and you're going to go, make sure you go into that first crochet. Am I doing this right? Hold on, let's look. I don't know why I don't have my glasses on. My eyes are blurred, but I hope I'm doing this right. Anyway, onto that first one. And you're going to make it, because you want to make sure that your stitches are accurate, because if you don't, you're going to frog this thing and mess it up. And you're going to have to start pulling out crochet stitches. So you want to make sure, if you can, if you got time. I'm at the point now where I don't like to do a lot of pattern bags because I can't watch TV, I can't listen because I'll screw up. So this one is not really a pattern, but you do want to make sure it's a perfect square, right? So you want to do the same thing. You want to crochet 44 more stitches across here. This makes your second row. You're going to do this. You're going to go down to the end. You're going to chain one. You're going to turn it. And you're going to do this for 68 rows. Okay? 68 rows is what you need. And then once you get the 68 rows, we'll be ready to stitch the sides on the bag. Okay? So just keep doing that. Repeat. And then this is what you'll get. Hold on a second. Oops, I started a bag. Haven't finished it, but this is what you'll get. It'll look like that, right? You'll fold it, and you won't cut the yarn as of yet, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna stitch the sides together. So you're gonna insert your crochet loop, and actually I'm not doing this right. Hold on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it through here. See what I did? I think I had my camera all off, but anyway, I'm gonna stick it through here. And pull it through, okay? And then in each available hole here, you're gonna insert the crochet needle. You're gonna pull it through again, okay? So you're not chaining any at this point, you're just inserting, pulling it through, okay? And you're gonna just keep doing that until you get to the end. And when you get to the end, I'll show you how to go ahead and clip it and burn the end off. And then you're gonna turn it inside out. And you're gonna do both sides, of course, okay? All right.